Deep beneath the Scandinavian granite shield, an unprecedented hyperscale engineering operation is currently underway. Kilo by kilo, billions of tons of ancient crystalline bedrock exert a monumental, continuous tectonic pressure downward. At this extreme subterranean depth, standard surface construction methods are entirely useless against the complex geology. The compressed bedrock behaves like a tightly wound mechanical spring, prone to sudden, violent, and unpredictable rockburst events. To survive this brutal environment, humanity must construct an autonomous subterranean city built directly into solid stone. Every single square meter excavated requires absolute mathematical precision to prevent a catastrophic structural collapse of the overhead mountain. The air inside the excavation zone is incredibly dense, smelling heavily of pulverized silica dust, industrial grease, and hot metal. Massive reinforced steel airlock doors tightly seal the main entrance, isolating this deep operational zone from the outer surface. Enormous ventilation shafts must constantly handle radical thermodynamic shifts caused by heavy, high-capacity industrial machinery operating continuously. Outside on the surface, Arctic winter temperatures plummet brutally, while deep inside, the massive mechanical core radiates intense heat. Relentless hydrostatic pressure from ancient, deep-seated groundwater veins continuously threatens to breach the newly cut tunnel perimeters. A highly complex logistics automation network operates around the clock, moving thousands of tons of sharp rock debris away. Heavy-duty vertical lift elevator systems ascend rapidly through the mountain core, transporting massive waste material away constantly. Every single step of this dark subterranean sequence is strictly dictated by pure mechanical force and extreme physical limits. The long-term structural integrity of this multi-billion-dollar project rests entirely upon cutting-edge, advanced materials science engineering. Traditional chemical blasting techniques are completely banned here to preserve the fragile structural stability of the entire mountain. Instead, the entire high-speed excavation process relies heavily on a newly developed, revolutionary high-power industrial laser system. This massive, automated machinery operates continuously day and night, slicing through tough geological layers with surgical precision. A complex network of heavy-duty, reinforced crawler tracks slowly positions the colossal, heavy equipment into the designated blasting place. The rugged, gunmetal carbon steel chassis vibrates intensely as millions of watts of electrical power flow directly into the core. High-pressure hydraulic anchoring pistons expand slowly, locking the massive 5-story tall machine structure firmly against the stone floor. An enormous optical lens array deep inside the machine housing begins emitting a bright, faint blue laser glow. The highly concentrated high-energy beam strikes the dark granite surface, heating the dense crystalline minerals almost instantly. Simultaneously, secondary high-pressure cooling nozzles direct high-velocity cold water streams straight onto the expanding thermal strike zone. This deliberate, violent thermal shock creates massive internal stress fractures, shattering the solid rock structure immediately without explosives. The ultra-hard granite instantly becomes incredibly brittle, cracking cleanly along the precise geological fault lines specified earlier. A dedicated team of professional mechanical engineers constantly monitors the fluctuating core temperature of the technical lenses. Wearing dirty, high-visibility industrial safety vests and heavy hard hats, they check mechanical tolerances with extreme care. No human words are spoken during operations. They communicate entirely through hand signals and detailed digital blueprints. Their heavy, steel-toed boots, covered in white granite dust, leave distinct tracks across the wet, muddy tunnel floor. With the primary stone excavation phase completed, the critical structural reinforcement phase must begin across the cavern immediately. A highly advanced robotic arm assembly line automatically positions high-yield steel mesh straight against the exposed raw stone. Automated precision welding units execute precise geometric patterns, permanently fusing the heavy structural reinforcement grid framework together. Bright, intense industrial sparks cascade down the raw granite walls, brilliantly illuminating the dark, empty cavern floor below. Next, a specialized thick concrete mixture reinforced with carbon fiber is sprayed under immense high-output pneumatic pressure. This unique, advanced composite lining forms a dense, flexible structural shell specifically designed to absorb heavy seismic energy. It completely seals every microscopic geological fissure, effectively blocking massive, high-pressure groundwater veins from breaking into the habitations. Every single square centimeter of the freshly cured lining undergoes strict, non-destructive mechanical stress testing protocols. Advanced acoustic sensor arrays accurately capture structural resonance data to quickly identify hidden, dangerous internal air pockets.
We are standing deep within the expansion project, where these colossal steel supports are essential for stabilizing the cavern.
Behind this temporary heavy protective wall, specialized construction crews are already laying out the core urban infrastructure systems. Thick, heavy bundles of high-voltage power lines are routed carefully through heavy-duty, fireproof galvanized steel conduits. Industrial-grade pipe systems for high-volume coolant circulation are anchored directly into the deep structural concrete floor. Every single mechanical connector and bolt must endure continuous, low-frequency tectonic vibrations for many decades to come. The immense scale of logistics required to support this development closely mimics a major international seaport operation. A centralized computing core dynamically manages the massive flow of construction materials arriving at the platform every hour. Heavy prefabricated structural arches are transported in specialized autonomous cargo pods along dedicated high-speed transport lanes. These dense, high-strength alloy structures will form the permanent structural backbone of the inner-city residential sectors. Precision. Automated overhead gantry cranes carefully pick up the massive structural elements, lifting them into their final coordinates. Heavy mechanical connectors join the massive arches to the solid, deep foundation anchors with immense hydraulic force. On-site engineers closely oversee the critical laser alignment process, checking structural tolerances down to the fraction of a millimeter. They constantly review high-resolution digital schematics on rugged tablet screens without uttering a single spoken word. Every single structural joint is torqued to extreme, maximum values to successfully resist long-term geological settling forces. Slowly, the rough, dark stone cavern transforms into a highly organized, functional, multi-level habitat infrastructure grid. Prefabricated residential modules are systematically slotted into the heavy steel framework like pieces of a giant puzzle. Each self-contained living module features thick, multi-layered insulation walls designed to trap heat and block external mechanical noise. Heavy robotic forklifts effortlessly transport these delicate, highly valuable living units across the dust-covered concrete deck plates. The complex synchronization between automatic delivery units and manual installation crews remains completely flawless throughout the shift. No human voices disrupt the mechanical rhythm, only the steady, powerful hiss of heavy pneumatic clamps locking down. Directly above the living zones, the high-pressure environmental life support machinery begins its critical initial testing phase. Enormous, high-capacity air scrubbers draw in raw cave air, forcing it directly through multi-stage chemical filtration beds. Massive oxygen generation units hum deeply and continuously, separating gases to maintain a perfectly balanced, breathable atmospheric mix. Automatic pressure regulation valves adjust continuously, accurately mimicking natural atmospheric weights found directly on the planetary surface. A dense web of stainless steel pipes glows faintly as chilled glycol fluid circulates rapidly through the heat exchangers. This centralized cooling infrastructure completely absorbs excessive mechanical heat generated by the massive, high-capacity power distribution nodes. Deep inside an adjacent, isolated cavity, a dedicated secondary nuclear reactor core serves as the main power generator. Heavy, reinforced lead shielding plates fully enclose the reactor vessel, containing intense, highly dangerous radiation fields completely. Thick, heavy, lead glass viewing ports allow technicians to observe automated fuel rod placement sequences with absolute safety. Precision robotic manipulators handle the radioactive fuel elements with perfect stability, moving smoothly along pre-programmed sealing tracks. No vocal commands are permitted inside the reactor control room, ensuring maximum human focus on critical system metrics. Stationed engineers closely monitor real-time thermal neutron flux data, constantly displaying on walls of high-resolution monitors. They carefully verify electrical grid frequencies as massive power flows through solid copper busbars into the city framework. The overall scale of this deep energy grid closely matches that of a medium-sized European manufacturing metropolis. Every electrical substation is completely decoupled from the outer surface grid, ensuring total, autonomous operational survival capabilities. Now, the entire completed structural complex must prepare for its most dangerous, high-risk phase, extreme environmental testing. The high-stakes first phase of the extreme test begins with an artificial, high-intensity seismic simulation sequence. Massive hydraulic vibration pads located directly beneath the heavy foundation blocks generate heavy, destructive low-frequency shocks. The thick, reinforced composite concrete lining flexes slightly as immense structural stress ripples through the cavern walls. Control room engineers monitor digital stress indicators closely as real-time data points spike sharply across the diagnostic monitors.
Standing here, you can feel the sheer power of this machinery. This substation is operating at peak capacity today, so much-needed energy.
Simultaneously, a massive thermal load test rapidly raises the ambient temperature inside the core utility vaults. Immense, suffocating heat waves visibly bend air particles, testing the thermal limits of the cooling loop infrastructure. Thick, heavy stainless steel cooling lines expand under the pressure, their mechanical joints holding tight without a drop. Next, the critical life support network faces a simulated, total unexpected power disconnect from all primary substations. Massive industrial emergency backup batteries engage within milliseconds, seamlessly maintaining critical oxygen flows without any interruption. Automatic emergency pressure valves pop open instantly, carefully managing toxic gas simulation levels inside the living grid. Highly sensitive acoustic diagnostic arrays scan the vast structures continuously, searching for tiny, hidden, microfracture resonance signatures. Field technicians wearing high-visibility safety vests manually inspect critical structural seams without uttering a single spoken word. They slowly sweep high-frequency ultrasonic probes across heavy metal joints, scanning for hidden structural microvoids inside. The entire multi-layered subterranean city successfully absorbs massive physical stress, passing the brutal test completely. With the rigorous structural testing phase complete, technicians finally begin the final integration of the automation systems. Thousands of small intelligent sensor nodes are permanently embedded directly into the primary concrete infrastructure grid networks. Advanced fiber optic communication arrays are carefully spliced together under clean, climate-controlled, portable cleanroom tents. No verbal conversation takes place. The technical crews rely entirely on automated multimeter diagnostic equipment and signals. These high-speed data lines connect every single module directly to the Subterranean main artificial intelligence processing core. Next, The automated public transit network tracks are laid down along the lower logistics tunnel systems. Precision robotic welding rigs automatically align and securely fasten heavy magnetic levitation rails to the solid anchors. Bright, blinding white sparks stream across the lower tracks, beautifully illuminating the dark stone floor underneath them. Autonomous high-tech maintenance drones move smoothly along the rails, running initial system calibration cycles completely alone. They accurately measure geometric rail tolerances down to the micron, instantly transferring the data back to central servers. Simultaneously, the main agricultural hydroponic layers begin their initial automated mechanical test runs deep below the city. Colossal, multi-tier metal rack configurations automatically swivel smoothly toward the overhead violet LED lighting array systems. Automated nutrient feeding pumps hum quietly in the dark, circulating enriched water solutions through clean stainless tubes. This advanced, closed-loop agricultural system will provide total food security for thousands of permanent underground residents. The complete, flawless synchronization of all mechanical systems successfully brings the massive mega-project to its final step. The massive heavy environmental seals located at the main portal are completely closed, heavy locks sliding precisely. Atmospheric pressure inside the sealed, multi-layered subterranean city stabilizes perfectly at exactly 101 kilopascals. Clean, heavily filtered air flows softly through the vast, intricate network of micro-perforated ceiling panels. The massive secondary nuclear reactor core shifts smoothly to its nominal baseload electrical generation capacity completely alone. Solid-state copper buzzbars hum quietly as millions of watts of power distribute evenly across the entire city framework. Automated maglev transit shuttles glide silently along their highly polished rails, completing their final initial diagnostic loops. Down in the lower agricultural layers, automated crop trays move smoothly under a constant optimized violet light environment. Every single complex subsystem now operates in absolute, perfect harmony, entirely independent of any external surface grid. This deep, heavily fortified geological fortress stands fully ready to support human life against extreme surface environments.
Standing here in the new Subterranean Plaza, the scale of the project is truly breathtaking. It's hoped this will alleviate the congestion above ground.
The total success of this multi-billion-dollar project completely redefines the future of autonomous subterranean engineering design forever. Every single technical lesson learned here will serve as the exact blueprints for next-generation, giga-scale developments. Humanity has successfully extended its permanent territorial reach deep into the absolute core of the crystalline stone. Pure mechanical force, advanced materials science, and total automation have turned solid granite into a thriving autonomous sanctuary. To discover more deep industrial breakdowns and advanced engineering analysis, subscribe to MegaMass Studios today.